more tooth cleaning stuff. I'm really careful to buy a toothpaste that doesn't have, there's something called trichosan, something like that, that is actually supposed to be really, really bad for us. So I buy the purest toothpaste that I can, full of ingredients that I understand. And there's something else that I do for tooth cleaning. I do believe, and I was told by my dentist, that tooth decay is actually down to us. I'm really, really careful. I use several sorts of toothbrushes. This one, just a little gum toothbrush over there. And then I use a very small toothbrush, Muji. I love the Muji stuff because I've got quite a small mouth and it gets right in to the back of my teeth. And I also use those little brushes, the little interdental brushes. I don't know if I can get it off there. The little interdental brushes, and I'm really careful about poking out anything that might have decided to move in. And also a curved thing with a thread that will go right to the back of my mouth. I think these are incredibly important because dentists have told me, and research has confirmed, that if we keep our teeth really healthy, it's our gums that is the entry for disease into the body. And since I've been so very, very careful, I've actually managed to reverse loose gums. A hygienist that I see says it's impossible, but no, it isn't. I pay particular attention to the back and I really irritate them like mad. And a tiny bit of wobbly that I had, well, it closed up and it doesn't wobble anymore. So pure toothpaste, lots and lots of trouble, and an awareness about how very important my teeth are. That's my bathroom cabinet wisdom. Hello there, teeth part 2 and another original use for a toothbrush. At a dental show that I went to because I was exploring other markets for my Waking Beauty pillow, which you'll find out about but not on this side, I picked up all the hygienist's instruments. And I sort of have a competition with my hygienist to see who can do the best. And my idea is that I'll use this and another couple of things that I've got. And I've got a magnifying mirror behind me. And just before I go, I do the best possible job that I can on my teeth and then see how long or how short preferably it takes him to do the really difficult bits. Then another thing that I do, I use these interdental sticks. I think as many different things that I can do to keep my teeth healthy, to keep my gums really sturdy. This is the best favour that I can possibly do my body. So I use these as well. And I think my teeth move slightly, which is good because these things might make them less crowded, but whatever I'm doing really works for me. Bathroom cabinet wisdom, and this is the final piece of my armoury against tooth decay. It's a really lovely looking egg timer. I think I got this one in Muji as well, and each time I clean my teeth I tip it one way or the other and it makes absolutely sure that I do 3 minutes each time. So with beautifully cleaned, deliberately irritated gums to keep them nice and tight, I think my teeth are definitely going to last as long as I do.